The session this afternoon laid out some of the industry's responses to the Sir Ian Wood report. The Wood Review recommendations are now 1 year old, and I laid out what the industry's response has been over the past year in trying to address some of the sector strategies that were laid out in that report. The 6 sector strategies, and Oil and Gas UK, we work across all 6 sectors. So exploration, we really need to revitalise exploration in the UKCS. And this afternoon I laid out some of the strategies where we've been working to revitalise exploration. For example, the 21st Century Roadmap, which is a digital suite of maps to help de-risk exploration drilling in the UKCS. Asset stewardship is another sector strategy, and again I laid out this afternoon the Production Efficiency Task Force and what the industry has done to address asset stewardship. There's also technology, decommissioning and infrastructure and regional development. So each of those sector strategies has an initiative being led by Oil and Gas UK to try and address the recommendations in the Wood Review. I hope the main takeaway from the session this afternoon would be the view that the industry is collaborating on many of these fronts whilst the new regulator is being established. So Jamie from the DEC laid out the timeline for the Oil and Gas Authority to be in place, and whilst we wait for the Oil and Gas Authority to be established, Oil and Gas UK stepped in to facilitate some of those conversations around the Wood Review recommendations, and I would hope that people's takeaway from the room this afternoon was a view that operators are collaborating with each other, with supply chain and across the UKCS to improve the situation and maximising economic recovery.